Hello friends, welcome to Abhi's Reviews. In this video, I am going to review one of the most popular neck pillows in Amazon, and this is having most of the highest reviews for this particular product. It is very lightweight and all. So this video, I'll be explaining, doing the unboxing as well as sharing the important features of this particular product actually. Okay. So if you see the information, this is made by Trajectory Marketing LLP Limited. Like liability protection or something. So the color is Echo Black. There are different colors are available. In the video description, I have provided the link. From there, you will get different colors as well as in a very like affordable price also, discounted price you will get it. Here the price is mentioned 1200 rupees, but you will get 1/4 the price. I can tell you that. So inclusive all taxes, the net weight is only 375 gram, which is very light actually. So all the information is given here actually. So let's open and see what are the unbox and see it. So what are the important features of this particular product actually. Okay. Packing is really good for this particular product. Oh. So let's see about the material. This very soft and premium material is used on this particular product. They are giving warranty also for this thing actually. So here you can see some of the instructions actually. It's like it's washable or not. Let's see that actually. There is a trajectory branding is provided here, like do not wash, do not bleach, not iron. So these are some of the, I think, like wipe with dry cloth. That is the method they have given actually. Okay. So here you can see there is a button is provided there. So you can easily, one click button is there. So you can easily like adjust with your neck size and all. So this is a universal size. Most of the necks will be easily fitted into this particular thing, and it is very comfortable actually. If you see that the material is really good, the premium feel is really good. So if you are traveling for long duration in train, if you are going for a international travel and all, you know that the waiting time is more, you have to sleep sometime. So this will be a very useful product. I can recommend you this particular thing. So this is all about the trajectory thing. So this is a locking system is there, and very comfortable material and lightweight. You can see that 315 grams or something is a weight. So overall the color is also, I like the color, everything is looks perfect actually. Okay, so you can definitely have a try actually. The material, you can see that that's awesome material. So I don't know the name, but it is comfortable. Here also there is a pocket given. You can put your like eye covering. There are small equipment is there. For that you can have a small pocket also here. You can keep something over there actually. This is all about this trajectory neck pillow. So if you have any doubts or any confusion, you can comment on the comment box. Product you will get in the video description. The discount price you can purchase this particular product. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.